Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will see how we can install Python in our Windows machine. Okay, so what we can do, first of all, we can open up the terminal. So terminal and check if Python is already installed. Okay, so this is our Windows terminal. Okay, let me just zoom in a little bit. Right, I think this should be enough. Okay, so Python dash version. Okay, and as you can see, we are getting this error. So Python was not found. Run without arguments to install from the Microsoft Store, or disable this shortcut from settings, and so on and so forth. So Python is not installed in our machine. So let's install Python in our Windows machine. So let's open up Google Chrome and type python.org. Okay, so this is the official Python website. And here inside of the downloads, click on this one. And here, as you can see, we are having this Python install manager. Okay, so click on this button, download Python install manager. Okay, this will be downloaded right now. Okay, so this is now downloaded. So click on this one. So as you can see, this is now opening up. So Python install manager. Okay, launch when ready, install Python. Yes, install Python. Now, this is some important steps. So I will just maximize this one and just zoom in a little bit. So as you can see, it is saying welcome to the Python installation manager configuration helper. Okay, Windows is not configured to allow paths longer than 260 characters. Python and some other apps can exceed this limit, but it requires changing a system-wide setting, which may need an administrator to approve and will require a reboot. Okay? Some packages may fail to install without long path support enabled. Update setting now. Yes, we want to update the setting. Okay? So yes, and hit enter. And let's do yes. Now, as you can see, okay, so the setting has been successfully updated and will take effect after the next reboot. Okay, all right. Then the global shortcuts directory is not configured. Okay, so this is configuring the global shortcuts, basically Python and py commands. Okay, and we can add the directory. This is the directory where the Python will be installed to the path now, but you will need to restart your terminal to use it. The entry will be removed if you run py uninstall purge, or else you can remove it manually when uninstalling Python. Add commands directory to your path now. Yes, we want to add this directory to our path. Okay, hit Y and hit enter. And now install the current latest version of CPython. If not, you can install this one later. Okay, so let's do Y. We want to install the current version of the CPython as well. Okay, so it is now downloading Python version 3.14.4. Okay, all right. So view online help. No, we don't want to view the online help right now. Awesome. So I think Python is now installed. Okay, so let's close this window, browser window, and let's close this terminal window as well and reopen the terminal. So terminal. All right. Okay, I don't need this one. Okay. All right. So let's zoom in a little bit. So now let's do Python once again, Python dash version. As you can see, Python is now installed and we are getting Python version 3.14.4. Okay. and let's do pip dash dash version. Okay, it is taking some time. But now, as you can see, pip version 26.0.1, and it is coming from this particular path. Okay, awesome. So in this way, we can install Python and pip in our Windows machine. All right, so Python is now installed in our machine. So in the next video, we will install the code editor in our machine and configure the code editor so that we can write the Python code in our machine. Okay, awesome.